Alright guys, welcome back. Bet you're wondering what I'm gonna do with these. Let's show you. Okay, you guys ready? Let's do some fun stuff. Okay, so definitely do not try this at home. We're pulling out the big boys now. This should get fun. You ready? Woo, there it is. It's stuck. That one bounced off. And that one bounced off and almost took me out. So, 2 out of 3 bounced off, the other one in, no big deal. Check it out. There's a hole in there. Does it matter? No. We're gonna patch it. It'll be fine. Wall hasn't lost any of the strength. We're good to go. Okay, I've been waiting to do this all day. Eyewear, staple gun. Yeah, let's do it. There's one, back, boom. 1, 2, and 3. Watch this, leave me a little closer. Boom. You don't have to worry about punctures, boys. It's gonna be good. And even if it does, it's got constant air supply. It'll be fine.